Hello, in this episode we are going to find the derivative of these functions. So from the A, we say y is equal to sine of log x. So we have to find the derivative. Don't be scared, we can just find this using the rules of differentiation. So first we have our y should be equal to sine of log x. So we are going to use the rule of substitution to solve this. What we are going to do here is we are going to say let our u be equal to log of x. Are we okay? And with this we can apply derivative to just the u, which is the u with respect to x, and that is going to be 1 over x. The derivative of log x, 1 on x. Are we good? So in practical terms, then we are going to say y now is sine u, right? Yes, because the u is equal to all of this log x. Now we have this, we can also apply dy with respect to u, and the derivative for sine u is going to give us what? Cos u. So from here, you can see that we have du dx, and we also have dy du. By chain rule, we say the derivative dy with respect to dx. From the two derivatives that we have, we can say dy with respect to du multiplying du with respect to what? Dx. And dy du, that is going to be what? Cos u multiplying du dx. That is 1 on what? X. This is the same as cos u on what? X. But we say that u is equal to log x. Is that right? Yes. Therefore, dy on the x is going to be cos of log x. Everything on what? X. So this is the derivative of the function sine log of x. Are we okay? Now to the b part. Sine of 2 plus e exponent 5x. This is also very simple. Let's see how we can find the derivative. So the b part, this is y sine of 2 plus 5e to the power 5x. So this is our expression. E to the power 5x this way. Alright, so here we can also use the substitution once again to solve for this expression. We can let u be equal to whatever is in the bracket over here. So we can say let our u be equal to 2 plus, we have e to the power 5x. Is that right? Yes. Since the u function is in terms of x, we can apply derivative du with respect to what? Dx. The constant will run towards 0, and when you differentiate 5 or e to the power 5x, that is going to be 5 multiplying e to the power 5x again. Are we okay? So y can be sine of what? U. Applying dy du, sine u, if we differentiate, is going to give us what? Cos u. And by chain rule, if we are saying we want dy on the x, that is going to be what? Dy on the u multiplying du on dx. So that is going to be dy on dx. So dy du, that is cos u. multiplying du dx, that is 5e 5x, and this can be 5e 5x cos, what is u now? U is still 2 plus 5x this way. Are we okay? Therefore, the derivative for the above function is 5e 5x. We have cos in bracket 2 plus e 5x this way. Are we okay? Now, the C part. The C part is saying we should find the derivative of y is equal to, we have x cubed minus 2x plus 8 raised to the power 4. So this, if you are going to say, let's expand this bracket, which is raised to the power 4, you're going to have a lot of work to do. So what we have to do here is also use the chain rule again. We are going to substitute all this by the letter u. So we can say let u again be equal to everything in the bracket, x cubed plus, we have 2x 38. We can see that the u function is still in terms of what? X. So let's apply du dx. That is going to give us what? 3x, and that is going to be 3x squared, right? Let's look at our function. So that is 3x squared minus 2x. The derivative will run to 0. Alright, so meaning y is now equal to u raised to the power 4. And if I'm to apply derivative, dy du is going to be, that is 4u cubed. Is that right? So by chain rule, dy dx is dy du multiplying du dx, which is equal to 4u cubed multiplying du dx, the whole of that expression, which is 3x squared minus 2x. Is that it? Yes, that is it. So here, if we are to simplify this, then dy dx is going to be equal to 4 multiplying now 3x squared minus 2. So here is going to be multiplying 2 because we are going to differentiate 2x. So that is going to be 2. Yes, like that. Multiplying now u cubed. We know the value of u, so which is going to be x cubed minus 2x plus 38, all raised to the power what? 3. The final derivative for this expression is 4 3x squared minus 2 bracket x cubed minus 2x plus 38 cubed, and we are good to go. So this is the derivative. Are we okay? Alright, thank you for watching this tutorial set. Check out for the next set of tutorials on differentiation.